Hello, dear students. This is Teacher Assumption Machado, welcoming you all to Standard 5th English, Unit 1, Chapter 1. What a bird thought. When the bird is not born, it is just an egg. The bird inside the egg thinks it is its house. It is small and round and made up of pale blue shell. So the bird says, I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Then when the egg hatches, the baby bird comes out of it. Now it is in the nest and it thinks that the nest is its next house and it is a bigger house. It is made up of straw and is covered by its mother. So the bird says, I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Then, after a few days, the bird grows a little and then it tries to flutter from its nest. And in its first flight, it comes out of the nest and just rests on the branch of the tree. There it can see that everywhere there are only leaves. And then it thinks, oh, how blind I was. This is a better world and is made up of so beautiful leaves. I never thought of these things. And so the bird says, one day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. And finally, one fine day, when it grows into a full-fledged bird, it flies beyond the tree and sees the world beyond the leaves. Oh, and for the first time, the bird sees the beautiful sky and gets puzzled. It wonders, oh, how different the world is. How exactly is the world made? I really cannot tell. And it is asking you, can you tell how really the world is made? At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you?